Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy edging, and these are all done the same, just different yarns. This was a bulky yarn and a 9mm crochet hook, worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook, cotton worsted yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook, and number 10 cotton thread and a 3mm crochet hook. So let's get started. To make this easy trim, I'm working with cotton yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the third stitch from the hook, make 7 double crochet. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. You make 7, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the same stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Now you're going to work in this space right here. You're going to make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the same space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Make 7 double crochet in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the same space. Like that, and you just continue to do that for as long as you need. Like that, just continue to add as many shells as you would like.